back to family cooking life. Little chefs are on the deck playing. We've been working all week on planter boxes and filling dirt and planting and putting our seeds in, and everything's getting there. We're almost there. I'm just making a quick breakfast skillet. I've got everything ready. I'm going to start cooking and we'll get to a video. I haven't been videoing all week because we've been so busy outside. So let's get to it. Starting with potatoes. Just going to peel them. After your potatoes are peeled, you give them a quick rinse. And then, I don't know, you can cut your potatoes any way you like for your skillet. I just kind of dice them up a bit so they cook fast. Now that we got all the potatoes chopped up, try and make them the same size, same width, same everything. That way, when one's cooked, they're all cooked. I'm going to boil them real quick, and then we're going to start frying them on here. My bacon's in the oven, and I'm going to chop up my veggies, and then we'll bake it in the oven for a nice skillet. Okay, so I've got some shallots. I'm going to dice those up, slice those up. It'll be super quick. I got my peppers, going to chop those up, and my garlic. Alright, those are all chopped. I'm going to go straight to my eggs. I got to get out and go grocery shopping. We don't have much veg for our skillet, so I got to feed the family, go shopping, make some money, and then come home and start planting again. Okay, everything's coming together. I got my tea, thank God. My tomatoes I'm going to slice up. My cheese I'm going to grate up real quick. We have my AC on, so it's loud. We'll turn that off. We have our veggies. Our potatoes are just about done. This here I used to cook my egg in separately, and then I put it on top. And then we melt the cheese on top after. And yeah, we're almost good to go. Potatoes are done in probably a minute. Okay, potatoes are done. I'm going to strain those up. Then we're going to bring them over here. We're going to take some of our bacon grease, which is still nice and hot. We're going to start frying. Throw my vegetables on with these right now. Let everything cook, get crispy. Cook my eggs. Season. And then my family's starving, so we want to get this going. We got some salt and pepper on these babies. A little more bacon grease. Get them frying. These things will be golden brown in no time. And I am starving. Okay, he's probably starting to get, yeah, they're starting to get crispy. We'll just keep frying them until they're ready. We're going to go in with my eggs in a minute here. Oh, making a mess. Awesome. That's what I do. Okay, our eggs are just about done. The family doesn't like them too mushy, they like them really dry. And so I get them this way. And then I'll put some cheese on them. And then I'll add the cheese and the eggs and everything. I'm going to do the cheese actually right now. We're going to add a little bit of bacon. And then this will go on top of our cooked potatoes afterwards. Then I will throw it in the oven and get her melted. Good. Okay, we're almost there. It's looking good. Eggs are melted, cheese is melted. Gonna add them together. Little chef number 2 doesn't like anything but potatoes and bacon and tomatoes. Say hi to Family Cooking Life, guys.
Hi.
Say hi.
Cooking life.
Say we want breakfast.
Breakfast.
Okay. That one wants breakfast too later. Okay, you guys ready? Okay.
Cheese.
Just cheese? Okay.
I'm hungry now.
Okay, so Mr. Theodore, little chef 2, only wants potatoes. Doesn't like eggs yet. Hopefully that changes. And everybody else, these are getting crispy, likes their eggs. So we just incorporate that through. And then I chop on some tomatoes, which I'm going to grab right now. I will put green onions and stuff on top too, but we don't have any. Okay, I'm going to grab a tomato. Couple slices is fine. You guys haven't gone back there? Hungry yet?
We are.
We'll put fresh tomatoes and normally green onions. Okay, there we go. A little bit of salt and pepper.
I like pepper.
Perfect.
I like salt.
Okay, everybody, busy morning. Gotta get going. Wife's going outside to do some more planting. She's got the kids to take care of. I gotta go shopping. So it's time to eat. So let's get this going. Always the mom first. There you go, Mom. Little kids. That's for little chef 1. This is little chef 2's. Okay, so thanks for tuning in on Family Cooking Life. Please like and subscribe. I need as much support as I can get. I wanna have thousands and thousands of subscribers by the end of the week. Come on, guys, we can do this. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for the views, and please comment down below.